Hello everyone and welcome to Janice Creative Flowers. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to tie the satin ribbon bows. This is, I have here one single layered bow. This is single layer 1 and 1, and I have a multi-layered bow 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So we are going to learn how to make these bows. We can use this bow to decorate our dresses for little girls and for big girls also, or we can use it on the gift items. So they will look attractive if we decorate gift items with the bow. So we are going to learn how to make these. Yeah. So take one satin ribbon, any color of your choice. And now I am going to show you how to tie the one layered bow. Okay, take it on your hand like this. Yeah. And the another side, insert it between the fingers. This will form a hole here, and then take that side, pass it through the hole and pull it. Yeah, that's all. This is your single layered bow. If you want to give this cut, you can give a cut. If you want to learn how to give this triangular cut, just fold it into two and give a cut. Single layered bow. This we can use for any dresses or to place it on the gift items, etc. Now I'll show you how to tie a multi-layered bow. It's very simple. Hold it like this. Now from here it will pass in between third and the fourth finger like this and form a cross. Yeah, how many rounds you want, that is your choice, 3 or 4 or 5. Yeah, more than one I mean. Then again same process. Tie the knot. One, 2 and 3. And 3. Multi-layered bow. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Thank you for watching.